Hi everyone, thank you for joining me again. Today we're going to make a stethoscope. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a paper towel roll, a funnel, duct tape. Now you can get the colorful duct tape that's patterned, solid colors, whatever color you want. I just have gray, so that's the color I'm going to use. You're going to need a balloon, scissors, and then to decorate your paper towel roll, you can use paint or glitter. You can draw on it with markers or crayons. You can glue things onto it like buttons or beads, whatever you would like. However you want to decorate your paper towel roll is up to you. So I'm going to put some glue on my paper towel roll because I'm going to put some glitter on it. There we go. Got it all nice and full of glue. I'm going to use some blue sparkles. Sprinkle it on. I'm also going to use some silver. Sprinkle it on. There we go. So mine is all nice and sparkly. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use duct tape and the funnel. So I'm going to put the funnel in one end of the paper towel roll. So it's going to look like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the duct tape and you're going to tape it all around here so that the funnel stays still. So I'm going to grab my duct tape. And cut a piece off of it. Sure to fold that edge down on your tape so you don't lose where you started it and it's easy to grab again because you're probably going to need more than one piece for sure. I'm going to stick my funnel in there. Try and get your funnel as straight as you can, so push it in and then duct tape it on. So there we go. To get the duct tape on, hold the funnel down into your paper towel roll. That will make it easier so that it doesn't move on you. And then tape it around. And I'm going to put a little bit more duct tape on because I don't want it to fall out or move on me when I go to use it. Take another piece of it. And then tape it on. So my funnel is taped on, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my balloon, I'm going to cut the end of my balloon off. So you want to cut it where it starts to get wider on the balloon. So roughly I cut off that much of it. I'm going to take my balloon, I'm going to open it, and I'm going to stretch it nice and wide, and I'm going to put it over my funnel. Oops, I got sparkles everywhere. So, I'm going to put it on just like this. There we go. So there is the balloon on my funnel. My funnel is covered in sparkles. Okay, there's a little bit more glue so I can put some more of the sparkles on that I have extra on my garbage bag. I did lay down a garbage bag just so it was easier to clean up, but as my funnel or as my stethoscope fell, I did spill sparkles all over my table. But there you go. And then all you have to do is when you go to use it, you're going to put this part over your patient's heart So left side of your body, you're gonna put it over their heart, and then you're gonna put your ear into the other end, and then you're gonna hear the heartbeat of your patient, okay? You don't have to use a balloon either. Give it a try without the balloon. See how well you can hear it without the balloon on the end of it. Then put the balloon on and put it over and see how much better you can hear. Whichever way you can hear better, use the balloon or don't use the balloon. It's whatever you prefer. Decorate your stethoscope however you want, and there you go. That's how you can hear for someone's heartbeat. I hope you guys have fun with this craft. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.